90-second recipe go. This time we're doing a carrot curry bisque. First you want to chop up an onion, a orange bell pepper, and about 3 carrots. You don't really have to be too precise with your cuts. We're going to blend it all up in the end anyway. Next you want to peel 2 yams or sweet potatoes, chop those up into cubes so they cook quicker. Go ahead and peel some ginger, a decent sized knob of ginger, and then chop that up, dice it up finely, set that aside. Next you want to heat up some oil, add your carrot, green pepper, and onion, salt that to draw out the moisture. Once that moisture forms, you can add the rest of your cut up sweet potatoes and your ginger. You can stir that up. At this point I added about 1.5 cups of water. Close that, kind of let that boil in there, get a little soft. Once that started kind of blending up together, I added about a teaspoon of that roasted garlic, and then that is a knob of curry flavoring, 1 can of coconut milk, and then I kind of stirred that all together to get that garlic melting and that curry brick melting. Then I seasoned with some cayenne, some turmeric. I did about a 1-to-2 ratio of the cayenne turmeric. It was like 1/2 teaspoon or a teaspoon. And then some pepper, stir that up. Go ahead and cover that. We're going to let that boil, let all those flavors get to know each other, and then stir that up again. Once it's soft enough that you can easily squish it with a spoon, you blend it up, garnish with some scallions, and there you have it. Enjoy.